All right. Little calm day on the Ninja Trader accounts. We got, what is it, 1,500 on each account, or 1,200 on each account yesterday. Nice trend day. Gap down. I'd imagine we revert to this level here all day. Such a low size day today. Trade idea. Stay below this area here. I'd imagine we bounce around between here and here. So yeah, 6,769. That's where that volume is. 6,764. 6,764. Okay, why am I looking at those levels? We have been ranging, as you can see on the hour. I mean, literally just in this choppy range. Okay, if we take a look at how that volume is looking. Why? Why does the audio sound like that? Alright, did that fix it? Hopefully. Audio sucks. Yeah, it did. How do if I turn this up, does it get louder? Hello, hello, hello. Alright, so what we're looking at. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Okay. Look at the volume here. Okay, we had our push up. Let me get back over here. We had our push up here, right? This little fade. This candle here when we opened up. Look at this volume here. We're going to be drawn to this volume, okay? So, considering the fact that yesterday, right, we came up to our high volume up here, and if you look more carefully at the larger volume profile, this orange, we traded up, and this is encompassing volume from yesterday. So before yesterday's trading, when we were down here, the volume was up this level. It was at like 7.5 up here. You can imagine we draw up to that level. We held that level, and now the volume has pushed lower here. So we can imagine that we won't be going much higher. Okay, we could dip into here, which we did, the low volume area. But why we're not looking for breakout shorts right now is because because on the longer time frame, right, if we go to the 30-minute, you can clearly see we are struggling to break out of these lows here. So from here to here, you can see every time we come, we reject. We're not trying to trade that breakout. All right. Add, pushing lower. This is the VIX. Okay. This is the VIX doing. VIX is continuing to go higher. Not good. Okay. That means fears in the market. Shorts are looking good. I wouldn't expect us to. I would expect every higher push to fail. A lot of mean reverting. So let's see if we can play some overextensions of. VIX is high. Just a fold looking like low, low old. Looking at this right here, looking at that, I would imagine we'd be pinned down here. So from this area, we'll probably hold, make our way up, and continue just chopping down here. A lackluster day. I wouldn't imagine we push higher here and then continue rising higher. Every high we can imagine to be a pop. I mean a fade. Low size day. No way would I be getting long in this market. We play the overextension of the Kelvin channels. Tick is very low at this point. Everything's looking low. Definitely not looking for longs. Short might be there. Alright, so what would we need to go short in this market? Might want to come test this high volume, low volume, shelf. Ads low, tick is low, everything's low. Where do we start building volume? Here. This is definitely either a short day or a consolidation day. No bulls whatsoever. Take a look at that tick right there. Take a look at the tick. Just crazy closures below zero. Ad declining, vol going lower. VIX is high. Oh my god. Nothing about this market is saying anything about being long. We have all this volume here. Definitely going to want to return at least to there. Alright, so when we're looking at this right here, clearly, we have these lows right here. The breakout traders, how we're going to get them out is we're going to have our pullback to this area right here, where we're clearly going to have the volume. Just got to get volume profile. Can I get it on here? Volume profile. No. Yep, here's our pullback here into this area, right, of high volume. Now let's see if we get some consolidation here. This might be the short setup we're looking for. Get some compression here in the low volume. And we need to be wary about the fact that we still have, so we're at the point of control right now. At about, can't even see that level. 6771. Point of control. Something like a good short opportunity. Tick is still below. We need to be patient. Testing the 9 EMA. That might be the closure of that candle right there that we wanted. Yeah, I'm short one. rise above these highs here. I'm short another. Got that closure below the 9 EMA. Rejecting point of control, tick is lower, add is lower. If anything, I would imagine VIX is high. That's another thesis for my trading. The VIX is getting high. See, yeah, just like this. Delete this. We want to stay below. Move this over. We go, get that push lower. Look at the volume. Take a look at this volume over here. I mean, clearly we pushed right into this heavy volume right here. Closures below the 9 EMA. All right. One more time, we're going to look at the VIX. Let's pull the VIX up. I mean, market internals are a crazy thing. You can clearly look at the ad. The ad does not want to show any sort of buying pressure below the tick, closing below zero. Very bearish. This is looking like a very, very bearish day. We could possibly add more. On the next push up, we will add more. Getting a heavy reversal right here. Add one there. Heavy, heavy bearish day. Okay, take a look at the VIX. Why is the VIX pointing bearish? Go to the 1 day. When we start getting closures above at this area here, we're accepting price above the 20. That's showing fear in the market. We stalled out yesterday. Big up close today. And climbing. Notice the VIX here. And climbing. Now the only problem with what we're doing right now is we can't have the mean reversion, or this is a chop day where we want to find value back is 6768, because we are now selling at value area low right now. But these internals are extreme right now. Get a little stop out here. Get a pop above 9 EMA. Sell one more there. Got a seller stepping up. close this. I think we might reach up to New York VWAP. My stop's going below here. I want to be out of the trade. If we break back above that and I'll re-enter closer to New York VWAP. Hopefully that was a little shakeout before we continue lower. Dip in the low volume area. That's why we're giving that trade some room to breathe. I'm killing that there. And volatility's picking up heavy. I'm killing it if we get break even. I'm going to enter closer to New York VWAP. What's that volume looking like? Alright, we're taking 150. Wow, we got the flip there. We might run. I took the trade off there. Alright, what I want to see is anybody building up short positions below this level here. New York VWAP is higher up at 766. I'd like to see some form of move into here to break above this level, and then maybe look for the fade down lower. But if we continue to dump from here, I'm fine with that. This should have been, right, this should have been our little pop, our shakeout. Right in this area here, we did not get that follow through. Volatility started picking up and we could not break between these lows here. So I'll wait and see if more sellers want to step in up at New York VWAP. But right now, if you take a look at this here, we're very overextended. There's that pop. But I'd rather take my base hit and stay out of these unknown conditions right now. So bearish on the day though. There's not a single bone in my body that would be bullish. Wish I held that trade a little longer. See, you notice we're just not getting that follow through that I want to see. So, I mean, this area right here, we are just not breaking through whatsoever. My anchor VWAP on right here, anchor VWAP's up at this level here. Notice the point where buyers are stepping in right here, defending this level. There's the pop. This should be the fake out. Right here. We should have faked out here and made our way down just like this. And we started stagnating right here. I don't like that. Those sellers are stepping in right now. They might want to get closer up to the VWAP right here. Let's take a look. There we go. See, that's why we're not buying. They're selling in that breakout right there. Volume developing lower here, right? Getting volume here. see how price reacts up here. Tick starting to make higher highs, pad declining. It's like a C trade right here. It's not quite D. D would be right here. C, B, A trade up here. We're getting that squeezed by the Bollinger Band, so we are getting that compression. If this mouth opens up, I'll go short. If we get a mouth open from here, get that squeeze. Can't pull the trigger. Can't pull it. I would feel so mad at myself if we ended up coming back with the VWAP and we showed a complete lack of patience here. But the fact that we had no follow through up here, sellers are really heavy, evident. We did get the close below the 9. I'm selling. Yeah, we're not taking any more damage on that. Yeah, I'll take this at VWAP. Oh, so that didn't close my position? Nice, bro. We did not get a closure under the 9 EMA. I'm not entering yet. God, that saved me. No closure under that 9 EMA. I'm gonna need by 6. Heavy volume under that 9 EMA. Crazy volume. Look at that volume candle right there. Crazy selling. we're protected now. Be a break-even day. I like how this just didn't copy any trades to these other accounts. Why is the account balance not moving? Oh, it's because those hadn't been copied before. Okay. I have to leave my stop in an appropriate place. Scale out of 3. Out of 3 there. Break even, we're gonna let this thing run. Notice how we didn't switch the bias at all during the day, okay? We took a short up here, took some off, allowed price to consolidate. We tried to take a trade here. Price wanted to return up to VWAP a little bit closer on this massive volume candle at this point right here. Big volume candle we got. We're entering. We got our close below the 9 EMA. Gonna ride the 9 EMA with the stop. And what I'm working on is days like this where I was so right, I want to capitalize so much more. But we're not gonna allow this trade to come back to break even though this could be a massive runner. I already took a loss today, came back, made up for my losses. Now we're just gonna be trailing this until it takes us out. Massive short day. And we're out, okay? Made up our losses. And it didn't take me out of trade on those accounts. We're out. Could have been a bigger day, but I'm taking that move any day, okay? Like, if you can't be content with this right here, this movement, if you can't be content with this right here, there's no way you're gonna make it in trading. Could have left a couple runners on, but that's beautiful. We're working on getting content. Okay, we can fine tune everything. Base hits. You see these every day, just base hits. Wonder. There we go. We don't want to be dealing with this. overextended, it's going to get bought straight back up. I would imagine to this area here, all this volume right here. Wish I didn't take that loss, that $200 loss. That could have been about a $600 day. It's still overextended. Could continue selling off. Oh, I didn't mean to close that. No. Yeah, probably gonna continue selling off here. To where, though, is the question. That was a gap and go day. Executed perfectly. See if this volume pops up. Oh, wow. Wow, so we could actually make it all the way down here. Wow. Oh yeah, we're gonna fly down there. That could have been a huge day. I don't know what this is. I'm fine with selling one right here. Trading this thing all the way down to what level is that? 6600. What a nice actually, you know what? We're not, because even though we're super trying to get down to this level here, we're not doing that. There's no need. Base hits. We're practicing base hits. That's what we're doing. I'm taking it personally. This is a crazy area. If we open up tomorrow and we're somewhere in this range, you can imagine that we're going to dump to this level here. VIX is getting high. Sell-off incoming. We are stalled out here. This high volume area. It's going to be hard. Buyers are going to step in there. You want to be at least short up in this area here, which is where we were, and be in through this movement here. I don't need to take that trade. I did what I was supposed to do today. One account never got filled, so we're at 51,386 on that. Watch what happens today, and maybe learn to capitalize more in the future. But back-to-back really good trading days. Yeah. Catch y'all on the next one.